Hey friends, what's up? Finally, the long-awaited fishing trip. Fishing for grayling. We come to this river every year. Today it worked out. This year we're a bit later than usual. The weather's been weird this year. Spring dragged on. Everything's off schedule. Not sure if the grayling will bite. Though there are already tons of mosquitoes and midges, you know, like gnats. The grayling should be feeding by now. Water levels dropped, but it's still dark. Same old story. Just me and Dad this time. Romy didn't come. He couldn't make it this year. Something came up. He's got some dental work to do. Anyway, it's just us two. We'll fish for 4 days. Today we're heading in. Tomorrow's the first full day of fishing. 4 days total, then home on the 4th. We'll use rods and worms. Drifting along the river. Trying our luck wherever we can. There's good grayling here. But you've gotta hit the right spot. Tricky fish. Rain's in the forecast. Some folks already went out and caught some. So yeah, could be good. Should be interesting. Always is. No way to predict how it'll go. Sun's shining now. Rain tomorrow or the day after. So yeah, we won't stay dry on this trip. Gonna have to tough it out. Brought plastic sheeting. Gonna rig up a tent. We're halfway there. Maybe not quite, hard to tell. Gonna grab a quick snack, then push on to the river. It's about 6:30 now. If we make it to the river by 10, that'd be great. Grayling should bite well in the evening, big ones, nice size. Let's take a short break here. Lots of bears around here too. Gonna smoke a bit. Saw a bunch earlier, bears with big paws. Juicy ones. Pepper. There's another one inside. See it growing? 2 in 1. By the way, last year, we got lucky with some big grayling. Not many, but some were close to a kilo. A bit smaller overall, had a good trip. No idea how it'll go this year, fingers crossed. Here's the foil. Left it at home. In the fridge, got some sausage or something. Something dripped on me already. Rain's coming. And it doesn't spoil, by the way. But without foil, it goes bad. Spoils quickly. I think it keeps better wrapped up. Big drops falling now, holy cow. Nature's prepping us. Check out these live bait critters. This one's a bark beetle. From Nature's Pantry. One scrawny squirrel we got. Yeah, tastes good though. Already had some as a snack, it fell off. A little piece here. Another bite? Yeah, it stings, nasty thing. Look, another one. 2 bites now. Here, 2 bottles for you. Sorry, it's biting me. Haha, that thing loves this spot. The squirrel's not great though. How can you not like it? Look, another one, hid itself. Now we've got grayling here. Wow, look at that. Holy crap. What the heck? I was looking for them in the firewood at home, while chopping wood. Yeah, the grayling's rolling, big ones. They're out on the clear cuts. Decaying. Alright, friends, just a little bit left. A couple of kilometers, probably. Then we're at the river. We lingered there. Relaxed, ate, chilled out. In the breeze, nice and airy. No mosquitoes here. It's almost 2 p.m. now. Well, this is basically our spot. Where we need to get to. Whoa, the water's high. Let's inflate the boats. We gotta cross to the other side. Let's head over. Thinking about it, the water's a bit above normal. But still unclear. Looks okay from there. It's dark already. Made it. Time's up. Almost 11 p.m. It's dark. Damn, we wanted to be here by 10. Didn't happen. Got delayed a bit. Delayed there. Hard to break free now. All those logs, tough climb. Forests all cleared out. Everywhere. Used to just have paths. Walking through woods. Now all clear cuts. Let's build a lean-to. Clouds are rolling in. Rain's expected tonight. Set up the lean-to, let it stay. Start fishing. Need to prep first. Avoid getting stuck. Let's set up the lean-to first. I think I'm done. Packed my gear away, like that. Stretching the frame. Moved my stuff. Nothing got tangled up. Friends, here's our quick lean-to. Tied it up fast. Not tied to anything solid, just small stuff. Alright, shelter from the rain. Fire's burning. Let's grab a bite and try fishing. If the rain doesn't start, try catching something. Fish around. Most important spot to try. Maybe upstream too. Check it out. Grayling, wake up. Stop sleeping so much. Yeah. Water's pretty high. I used to cross it. Can't cross now, not here anyway. About 15 extra centimeters. Fishing's not working out yet. Damn. Sank a bit coming back from the river. Water's dark. Can't see a thing. At least it's warm. No bites at all so far. Wanna go for a swim too? Great spot there. Nice little hole. Walking knee deep, then suddenly waist deep. Season's open. Perfect spot, ideal for grayling. First grayling. Bit right here. Looks sick. It was in a net. Yeah, it was netted. Maybe something bit it. Look at this poor thing. Something's off with it. On one side, there's some weird bruise or something. Probably bit closer here. That's where I used to catch them before. Right here. Oh, look, it's biting again. I think it's biting again, or maybe the bottom. Could be. We definitely catch some now. Damn, oh. Damn, look, it came off. Why is it hooking so weakly? Rubber, gotta use heavier line. Can't be. Depth's increasing. There it is. See, damn, look, it hooks but slips off. Comes on, then drops. Got it again. Did you see? You'll see now. Look, nice spin. Second time, good grayling. Good grayling. More like a skillet-sized one. Cast further out. And deeper. Here, look. Right here. Watch, it'll pull now. Watch the float. Damn, missed it completely. Don't want bark beetle? You said no grayling? You said no grayling? Haha. Small one. Damn. Oh. Tiny ones. Small but still two. Man, there's just nothing. Yeah, rain. No, it'll pass. Quiet now. They did promise rain. Not many bites though. Caught a couple small ones. Even those barely. Alright, let's drift downstream. Maybe we'll find something. Collect some stones. Make sinkers in. Alright, shoving off. Later. Goosefoot. Ha! Let's go. In search of grayling. Didn't want to bite here. Drifting further down. First decent fish. Coming back strong. Whoa! Heading back. Gonna move up a bit. Drop the weight, but the wheat's not holding. Problem. Need more rocks. Let's try. Catch some strawberries. Splashing, maybe something's there, or a good grayling. Under that bush. There. But no, it's small. Get out of here. So, guys, fishing is starting. Kinda getting somewhere, slowly but surely. Finally, been sitting there forever. Damn, all night. Well, at least we rested. This one splashed bigger. No, that splash was definitely something else. Either there's a good grayling here or not, I don't know. Had to walk back for stones. No rocks anywhere here. Gotta add some weight. The current's too strong, it's pulling everything away. Let's try adding more now. It's not holding because of the flow. Big current sweeping it all away. Now filling the bag completely. Maybe this'll hold. Otherwise, no fishing today. Grayling's biting over there. Getting swept. Added weight, but still not holding. Still drifting me around. Somewhere. Not great.
Плохо.
Splashing everywhere. All along the shore. Won't bite on worms though. Little bugger doesn't want to bite yet. Well. First one. Looks like a decent grayling. Come here. Yeah, this is how it's been going today, just barely. Biting very weakly. I don't know. For now. Not great luck. Keeps slipping off underwater somewhere. Gets hooked slightly, then you pull. Something splashed behind me, unbelievable. They're under me, splashing all along the shore, right here in front of me. 1 or 2 bites, that's it. He played nice. Splashed. Let's change the worm and try again. Here it goes, small one again. Right here. Bit in the boat. Probably the one that splashed earlier. Doesn't want to show up on camera. There's the boat. I'll get you next time. Good splash. All over the river, graylings here, splashing everywhere. Some big ones, some small ones. But they're not biting. That tricky grayling. How do you make him bite? Finally, one decided to cooperate. And just like that, he's gone again. My hooks. Good hooks, big ones. No luck. Hardly hooking anything, it's weak. Things aren't looking good so far. Not great. So far, only one grayling. 2 good ones got away. Fish are biting very weakly. Dad's still trying over there. Good hole here. Graylings always around. Splashing over there. Nothing visible here. For now. Maybe they're not here. Or maybe this year they're not ready to jump yet. Alright, let's get out here, probably make a fire. Yeah, need to rest a bit. It's already 8 or 9 a.m. Got some seeds. The past washed away our solitude. Whoa. There we go. Oh. Already better. Gotta pick it up. Something's rattling. Sad with explosions around here. Not many people here. Have to hike up there again. And even then, nothing much. So, where's the grayling? Full boat. What small fry? Oh. What, you don't want guts? Where's the perch? Where's the perch? Over there. That's where it is. I was stuck standing there. Hook broke. Oh. Just change the hook, cast it, and snagged something. Damn. Where's the snag? Is that not a snag? Oh, look at that. Nice one. Big one, snowball sized. Yeah, snowball. Yeah, big-eyed like this one. Yeah, they bite the same way. Weather's like you see. Rainy. Our stove went out. For now, it's all about building. Not catching fish, building lean-tos. Pouring and pouring. Damn. No fishing yet. For now, just want to sleep already. Can't sleep now. For now. Everything died while we were building. Yeah, rain seems to have stopped, but it started again. Damn. We wanted to dry the boats and blink a bit because it's lunchtime. Want to sleep, so we'll have energy by evening. Catch something by evening. Otherwise, Dozik won't let us sleep. Pours and pours, pours and pours. Now it'll stop again. Look, it's getting stronger again. Damn. Oh. Weather's nasty. Haha, not too bad though. Big drops. But murky. Sky's all covered. Everything's gray. Alright, waiting, drinking tea. Even these kinds live here. Hee hee. While this one napped, Dad caught one. Yeah, while we slept. It jumped right here. Imagine if they all did that. Probably ran off somewhere. Maybe bigger ones. Anyway. Fish, I see them. I try not to disturb them. This fish isn't biting much. Some nibbles. Weather's also sluggish, but at least the rain stopped completely. I dozed off a bit today. Now Dad will nap in a couple hours. Then we'll probably paddle further. Splashing around. The water still seems a bit dark to me. High, but slightly less. Maybe the weather. Fluctuations. Rain coming. Good on the boats. Nice to relax. No rain for now. Phew. Just mosquitoes singing their song. Buzzing and buzzing. Buzzing and buzzing. By the way, there's a bear here. Already scared us once or twice during fishing trips. Nothing heard so far. Will come by nightfall to chase us out. Pumping up the shelter. Going after the big ones. Kilogrammers should be here. Ours, hopefully. On the spin. Let's stretch it further over there. Find a cleaner spot. What beauty. Sunset. Mist over the river. Graylings stopped splashing. Should be able to catch now. All packed up. Got all our gear. Let's paddle out. Try casting here. It was splashing here. Something dirty on my face, I think. Fixing it as we go. There are good spots downstream too. Try catching something there. Evening's coming, they're swimming somewhere. They'll splash down there. Splash down there. See, steam rises right away. Catch on.